whatever reason, we have leftover pastrami. I guess it wouldn't be leftover if I was eating the sandwich. Anyway, you gonna throw it out? I go, no, don't throw it out. I'll make something with it. Because nobody likes, what can you do with leftover pastrami? It never tastes the same as when you eat it at the deli or you bring it home warm. So I'm gonna make an omelet and mince up the, you can't put the pastrami like inside the omelet and then fold it over. It's not gonna chew the way you want. So everything's going in there except the cheese, the onions, and then for a little flavor, some kalamata olives. And then all we have to do now is put some pepper in there and then go about making the omelet. So the pan is already hot, and you've got to put the butter in there and do this quickly. Before the butter browns, which is like right now. Get all of that egg out. Try one more shot of that. In a second, I'll be folding it over. First, we put the cheese. I like it when it's grated instead of putting pieces of cheese in there. This melts very quickly. And there, it's formed. Turn it down to low. I'm going to get my plate ready. I like my eggs soft. And I put some greens on here. So I can smell the pastrami. Now we just tilt it. And fix it, fix it, fix it, don't be messy. And there's my breakfast. A nice pastrami omelet with some spring mix. Hope you enjoy it.